Hey guys, I'm making this quick video. If you can connect your Epson EC2850 and you want to connect it to your computer and you're not able to do it, the first thing that you can try to do is that you want to disconnect the power cord from the printer for 5 minutes. You want to then disconnect the power cord from the internet router modem and then reboot your computer. Then reconnect the power to the router and print and wait for like 5 minutes for them to completely power on and reboot. So this is the first thing, like also important. Another thing is that, look here, turn your product off and on again, and maybe it's going to fix it. If it didn't fix it, also, then what you can do, you can reinstall the product software for setting network setting, advanced network setting, Windows firewall, disable the firewall. This is another thing that you can try. I'm just throwing out these ideas that maybe some of it is going to actually fix it, but first try to just like turn it on. Maybe it's going to fix it. If not, I'm sorry. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.